Good. Let's start. Please guys watch it and learn how to weld this size turbo. It is high quality. We are using Lithium 17 3.2 millimeter. Oh, oh, what happened? Oh, I think there is a bubble in there. Oh, don't worry about that. Because we have a grinder to repair on that. Okay, started. Oh, the spark is very beautiful, and the current is good. The addy is enough. Oh, stop it. Let's see what is the result of his welding. Oh, of her welding. You see, if you are using welding, it's so very hot. Okay. They are using one hand. That is the indication of she is a good welder. Okay. So we will wait guys until she finish. We will see his welding. Okay, let's stop here.